The Bowens mount adapter for speed lights by Glow. This is a pretty thick, it's all plastic. The majority of the framing is plastic. There are some metal pieces here, but this is a hefty piece of gear. It should be, because if you're putting on large modifiers to this Bowens mount, it better hold the weight of a 5-foot softbox, for example. So it's good that this is pretty sturdy. I'm starting to get into strobe photography, using strobes for my photography. I shoot Canon. Here's the Canon Speedlight 600 EX2 that I got this for. Let's see how this works. Now that is putting the pressure on the flash, and that seems pretty sturdy. I don't know why I have it like this. This is probably better to have that way, so I can see it while I'm operating. It's exactly what I was expecting, in a good way. Here's for an umbrella that you can stick through here. Here's the bottom that you can put on your C-stands or light stands. It's just that one screw. I don't like it when it's one screw like that, because then it scratches the head of the light stands, but well, oh well. And then you have a very thick knob here to move the whole body up and down. And it's the kind that you can lift up and switch just in case if you're at odd angles. This is a pretty extreme example, but here's Aperture Light Dome 2. Giant 34 point something inch softbox. And there you go. I connected that to this, the Bowens S-mount adapter, and it works. And to take it off, here's the release pin. Released and taken off.